What's up, guys? It's Rowan here from Smart TV, and we've all got that one friend that is really smart, and immediately before an exam, when you're already a little stressed out because you've got the exam, they decide to tell you everything they know. And because they're really smart, they know freaking everything. And so all of a sudden, you're already stressed, you're already worried about the exam, and now your stress levels have gone into overdrive because they've freaked you out. So we've got to work out, how do you deal with the stress and the anxiety and the pressure that comes with exams? And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in this video. So this is why you need a pre-exam ritual. Now, before every exam, I would go and I would juggle a soccer ball. Now, for me, it was just the thing that I could do where everything else around me would disappear. I'd get completely in zone. I'd be 100% present to the moment. And this was so powerful for me in just helping me get into the headspace before I went into the exam so that I was confident and ready to nail it. So athletes have pre-game rituals. I'm sure you've seen that video of Michael Phelps getting into the zone before he had to race in the Olympics. So you've got to identify what your pre-exam ritual is going to be. And it shouldn't be difficult to work out. What do you love doing where time just disappears? Where you're doing something and you're so completely in the zone that everything around you disappears. That's what you need to be doing. So it might be meditating, it might be listening to music, it might be dancing, it might be going for a run, it might be playing your favorite sport, it might be talking to friends. Whatever it is, I want you to identify what it is and I want you to do it before your exams. I want it to become part of your pre-exam ritual. Now, as part of this, I want you to avoid people that will freak you out or put you off your game. All right? You want to get in the zone and you want to focus on doing this thing that you love. So I'd love to hear what it is. What is your pre-exam ritual going to look like? Leave it in the comments below. Tell me what it's going to be. And it's a commitment as well then that you're going to go away and do it, which is really important. Now, if you have any questions about how to develop your pre-exam ritual, of course, pop them in the comments below as well. And finally, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications. We're bringing videos every single week. I'll see you next week.